It would have been nice if we could have kept our name Vonda Co-op. It is what it is.
It lands all right. It's not that we're that far away from the city, but yeah, it's fine.
Sometimes people can get confused when like they ask you what's your Saskatoon Co-op number here, and you're like, but I'm in Watrous.
I was surprised that the Saskatoon covered such a wide area because it was just Saskatoon. So when I learned it was like Hague and Rostern and Warren, I was quite surprised. So changing to Saskatoon would probably help with the confusion right off the start.
Well, I really think the name should be changed because Waldheim is not in Saskatoon.
If I could, I would change the name to Living Skies Co-op.
I have no idea.
Well, we're talking about the whole block, right?
Community co-op.
Well, I think it should be more like a neighborhood co-op, including everybody, because it just doesn't specify just simply one city.
So why is it important?
I think it's just important to make that distinction because all of these places are important and those co-ops are their own place, and we want to honor that.
It feels a little bit closer to home than, let's say, having like more of a bigger city name or anything like that. Do you know what I mean? Like it just feels warmer, more welcoming.
You know, having our own name would be kind of neat.
I think it's a good idea. Yeah.
Yes, they absolutely should.
Yeah, that's cool.